In this video, I'll be showing you how to use two audio outputs on Windows 11 and 10. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So what you want to do is go to your browser of choice and then type in virtual audio cable like so, and then you just want to go to downloads on that first website. Now from here, I'm just going to go ahead and get the VAC, like I can just get the trial. So I'll just do the self-installing exe, wait for it to download fully, and then all I want to do is go ahead and start the setup. Now it's going to say it will be installed on your computer. Go ahead and press yes. Go ahead and press I accept. Choose where you want it to be installed, and then go ahead and press install right there, and then just let it install for you. And it can just take a few minutes, just depending on your PC and everything, but it's just going to be going through how many different audio waveforms you have. The system has automatically set default audio to the newly installed one. So what I want to go ahead and do is open up the system properties window, and now it's open. And now the installation has completed successfully. Now, once you've installed it and everything, all you want to do is go to search and then type in audio, and you're going to see audio repeater. So go ahead and press audio repeater MME. Now, before you do that, what you want to do is go over to your volume mixer and change your output device to line 1. This is very important. When you go ahead and do that, then you want to change your wave in to line 1 as well. And then you'll wave out to whatever output you want. Then all I'm going to do is go ahead and right click it. And then I can open up another one. So now there's two. Put this one to line 1 as well. And then I can put this one as my secondary input. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that.